Hello everyone, welcome to TechOver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a home page into a landing page. For that I need to log into my WordPress. From dashboard, go to appearance, customize, click on WordPress default, click on homepage setting, a static page, select the home page. So I'm going to select home and going to publish it. It is published now. Let's check it. So my home page is the landing page of this website. This is how you can convert your home page into the landing page. That's all for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.